Hello everyone, here I am going to discuss about the role of hormones in digestion. As we all know about what is digestion and the process behind it, so in this video I am going to discuss about the regulation of digestive activity. The gastrointestinal activities are controlled by neuronal and hormonal mechanism. So there is a unique set of hormones and an intrinsic system of nerves extending the entire length of digestive tract control the complex digestive and absorptive function. Let's have a look at the hormonal control. The hormones that control the gastrointestinal system are mainly secreted by the endocrine cells and they were scattered throughout the epithelium of the stomach and small intestine. These cells are not clustered into discrete organ like the thyroid or adrenal gland. A variety of hormones are involved in digestive process. Mainly, there are 6 different hormones are associated with this digestion process. They are gastrin, secretin, cholecystokinin, glucose insulinotropic peptide, enterogastrone and motilin. And these were generally called gastrointestinal hormones or gut hormones. Here we can see a picture that show the hormones site of production and their function. Then several candidate hormone exist in central nervous system and in gastrointestinal plexus which may be functioning as neurotransmitter and neuromodulators. In addition to stimulation and inhibition, certain hormones have growth promoting effect in the gastric and intestinal mucosa and also have a role in the exocrine portion of pancreas. Next, we can go through these hormones one by one in detail. First one is gastrin. Gastrin is a peptide hormone secreted by mucosa of pyloric region of stomach and duodenum. Peptide hormone means that is they are made up of amino acid and in the mucosa of pyloric region mainly by the G cells of stomach and duodenum. Okay. Next, the secretion of gastrin is activated by only in the presence of protein and in the distension of gut and the activity of gastrin releasing peptide released by neurons in the gut. Gastrin mainly stimulate the secretion of gastric juice that is hydrochloric acid and also have a specific role in the growth of gastric mucosa. Next hormone is secretin. Food passing into duodenum causes the production of secretin. It is produced by the endocrine cells of the intestinal epithelium, that is mainly by S cells of duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Then the secretin induces the release of alkaline secretion from the pancreases and also it stops the further passage of food into the intestine until the acid is neutralized. Third hormone is cholecystokinin, otherwise it is called pancreozymin. This is also a peptide hormone and it is secreted by the epithelial endocrine cells of small intestine, that is mainly by I cells. This CCK has dual function. First one is it stimulates gallbladder contraction and hence known as cholecystokinin. Second one is it stimulates the secretion of pancreatic enzyme and hence called pancreozymin. Secretion of cholecystokinin is mainly stimulated by the presence of luminal amino acid and these peptides that are derived from gastric proteolysis, and also fatty acids and an acid pH. Then fourth hormone is glucose insulinotropic peptide, that is GIP. They are originally called gastric inhibitory peptide, and these peptide hormone secreted by the mucosal cells of duodenum and jejunum. It inhibits the gastric secretion and motility and potentialities, that is release of insulin from beta cells of pancreas in response to this elevated blood glucose concentration. Fifth hormone is enterogastrone. It is mainly secreted by the epithelial cells of duodenum and jejunum. It inhibits the production of gastric juice including hydrochloric acid. Then the last hormone is motilin. It is a peptide hormone that is produced by the duodenal mucosa. It induces the contraction of smooth muscles of stomach and intestine. This is all about today's topic. Thank you.